How are you doing tomorrow or not doing our group work at the senior house?
Vì thêm nó tôi bị xì hi vừa time do you want to come to my house?
Around 10 in the morning, I and Linda come to your house.
Tomorrow I will prepare an English textbook that I went to do the assessment.
Okay, I'll wait tomorrow at my house. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Okay. Do you have a job?
Yes, I have a job.
What kind of job do you have?
I am teacher. How about you?
The theater of junior high school. I am a businessman.
Wow, do you have a company?
No, I just have some shop.
What kind of shops do you have?
Foods shop.